हेलो दोस्तों। तो कैसे हैं आप सभी। जैसा कि पिछले वीडियो में हमने पॉवर्टी के बारे में पढ़ा था, तो इस वीडियो में हम बजट से रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चंस पढ़ेंगे। ठीक है, तो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, अंडर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर्टिकल्स ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया ए स्टेटमेंट ऑफ एस्टिमेटेड रिसिप्ट्स एंड एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैज़ टू बी लेड बिफोर द पार्लियामेंट इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ every financial year. Option 1, Article 110, Article Article 111, C Article 112 and D Article 113। जल्दी से आंसर कमेंट कीजिए। तो इसका आंसर है आर्टिकल 112। नेक्स्ट, which one of the following is not a component of revenue receipts of the union government? Option A, corporate tax receipts. Option B, dividends and profits. Option C, disinvestment receipts. And option D, interest receipts। तो इसका आंसर है disinvestment receipts। नेक्स्ट, every year the economic survey is compiled by option A, Office of Economic Advisor. Option B, Central Statistical Office. Option C, National Sample Survey Organization. Option D, Department of Economic Affairs। And the right answer is Department of Economic Affairs। Next question, the fiscal deficit in the union budget is equal to option A, net increase in internal and external borrowings. Option B, the difference between current expenditure and current revenue. Option C, the sum of monetized deficit and budgetary deficit. Option D, net increase in the union government's borrowing from the Reserve Bank of India। And the right answer is option A, net increase in internal and external borrowings. Next, Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act was passed to keep check on option A, fiscal defect only. Option B, revenue defect only. Option C, both fiscal defect and revenue defect. Option D, neither fiscal defect nor revenue defect। And the right answer is both fiscal defect and revenue defect। Next question, which one of the following is the largest item of expenditure of the government of India on revenue account? Option A, defense. Option B, subsidies. Option C, pensions. Option D, interest payments। जल्दी से आंसर कमेंट कीजिए। And the right answer is interest payments। Next, a country can be said to be trapped in a debit trap if option A, it has to follow the conditions imposed by International Monetary Fund. Option B, he has to take a loan to pay interest on the outstanding loan. Option C, foreign leaders have refused to give him loans or assistance. Option D, the World Bank leaves a very high rate of interest on outstanding loans as well as new loans। And the right answer is option B, he has to take a loan to pay interest on the outstanding loans। Next question, when the interest payment is reduced from the fiscal defect, the residual is called option A, monetary defect. Option B, primary defect. Option C, current account defect। and option D, revenue loss। जल्दी से आंसर कीजिए। And the right answer is option B, primary defect। Next question, which of the following statements regarding fiscal policy is not Correct. Option A. Fiscal policy includes tax policy and expenditure policy. Option B. Fiscal policy is concerned with public debate and debate management. Option C. Fiscal policy affects the supply of money in the economy. And option D. Fiscal policy keeps the exchange rate stable. And the right answer is option D. Fiscal policy keeps the exchange rate stable. Next question 10. In case of budget related process in parliament, the amount of demand is to be reduced to 1 rupee is called. Option A. Economic cut motion. Option B. Policy cut motion. Option C. Token cut motion. And option D. Indicative cut motion. And the right answer is policy cut motion. Option B. Next, 11th. Which one of the following is not an objective of the fiscal policy of the government of India? Option A. Full employment. Option B. Price stability. C. Regulation of interstate trade. Option D. Equitable distribution of wealth and income. And the right answer is option C. Regulation of interstate trade. Next. What is the budget in which the deficit is met through taxes called? Option A. Balanced budget. Option B. Unbalanced budget. Option C. Surplus or cash balanced budget. And option D. Zero based budget. And the right answer is option A. Balanced budget. Next. Which of the following deficit pairs is most important for the Indian economy? Option 1. Fiscal deficit and revenue deficit. Option B. Revenue deficit and primary deficit. Option C. Budget deficit and fiscal deficit. Option D. Current account deficit and fiscal deficit. And the right answer is option D. Current account deficit and fiscal deficit. Next. Which amongst the following can be treated as capital receipts? Option A. Penalty and fine. Option B. Sale of public sector undertaking. Option C. Dividend of PSU. Option D. Corporation tax. And the right answer is option B. Sale of public sector undertaking. Next. Deficit financing is done by option A. Price rise. Option B. Price drop. Option C. Price control. Option D. Neither of the above. And the right answer is option A. Price rise. Next. If the interest given by the government is added to the primary deficit, it will be equal to option A. Fiscal deficit. Option B. Budget deficit. Option C. Monetary deficit. And option D. Planned deficit. And the right answer is fiscal deficit. Option A. Next question. Twin deficit problem means the following in a country. Option A. High fiscal deficit and high current deficit. Option B. High fiscal deficit and high revenue deficit. Option C. High fiscal deficit and high governance deficit. Option D. High fiscal deficit and high primary deficit. And the right answer is option A. High fiscal deficit and high current deficit. Next. In India's union budget, fiscal deficit means A. Sum of monetized deficit and budgetary deficit. Option B. Net increase in union government's borrowing from the Reserve Bank of India. Option C. Difference between current expenditure and current revenue. Option D. The fiscal deficit tell how much more money the government needs to meet its expenses. And the right answer is option D. The fiscal deficit tells how much more money the government needs to meet its expenses. Next, in which year Union Finance Minister present paperless of digital budget first time? Option A 2017, option B 2020, option C 2021 and option D 2022. And the right answer is 2021, option C. The last question is, which of the following committee recommended to separate railway budget from the general budget? Option A Royal Committee, option B Ekworth Committee, option C Gorewala Committee, option D British Crown Committee. And the right answer is option B Ekworth Committee. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.